Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language for the Siri voice assistant on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button or the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the Siri option. Once you find it, tap on it. And here, scroll down and find the language option. Once you find it, tap on it. It will open the list of languages. Find the language you would like to use. For example, maybe German. And once you select the language, press the crown button to go back to watch face. And now my Siri should be in German. So I'm gonna wake her up. Hey Siri, tell me a joke. As you can see, it is in German. Okay. So that's how you change the language for the Siri voice assistant on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.